Hi, grade ones. Today our learning target is I can represent and describe numbers to 20 in different ways. So we've been working on this outcome for a little while now. So we're going to start to wrap this up. So today I want you to show me everything you've learned over the last few lessons. Are you able to look at a two-digit number, so greater than 10, and represent it in a few different ways? So here's our anchor chart. This chart has been growing over the last few weeks. We've learned that we can represent and show numbers using numerals, pictures, base 10 blocks, 10 frames, tally marks, and on a number line. Today, you're going to show me how you can represent numbers in different ways using some of the ways from our anchor chart. I'm going to model for you one way that I can represent or show the number 12. So first off, if I want to show the number 12 using 10 frames, I know that the number 12 is one full 10 frame. Because remember, when that 10 frame is full, that shows 10 plus 2 extra or additional ones or counters. So I'm going to go ahead and show the number 12. So I'm going to fill in this entire 10 frame. I could count, but I don't have to, because I know once this 10 frame is full that there are 10 counters there. That full 10 frame shows 10. If you wanted to count, you could, but you could just fill it in. That's what I'm going to do. Now that this 10 frame is full, I'm going to count on from 10. 10 is going to go in my head, and I know after 10 comes 11, and after that comes 12. So I know the number 12 is one full 10 frame and 2 extra ones. Now I'm going to look at my graphic organizer here. I need to show 12 in another way. I'm going to show it using tally marks. And again, here I have some options. I could count out 12 tally marks and group them into groups of 5. Or I could do it quicker. I know that tally marks are in groups of 5. So I could grab one group of 5, 2 groups of 5, which shows 10, and now count on. 10 goes in my head, 11, 12. Another way I can represent or show the number 12 is by using base 10 blocks. Remember, we call these our rods and units. Now remember, a rod, that's the yellow one, that is worth 10. Inside of that rod are 10 units. So one of those rods is equal to 10. 1 unit is equal to 1. So I know the number 12 is made up of one group of 10 and 2 ones. So I could say that as 1 rod and 2 units. So I'm going to grab 1 rod, which is 10, and now I'm going to grab 2 units. I'm going to count on from 10. 10 goes in my head, 11, 12. Excellent. And the final way I'm going to represent or show the number 12 is by using pictures. I could use hearts or emojis. I'm going to use emojis today. So I'm going to count out 10. Now, when I'm using pictures, I want to organize my pictures in a way that's easy for me to count them. I could do rows of 2 or rows of 5, and then any additional ones. I think today I'm going to do rows of 2 because I know counting pictures, it's easier to count them in groups. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Notice because I group them in pairs, it's now really easy for me to count them and double check my work. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. that matches. All right, so you're going to try this with a few different numbers. Remember to represent and show those numbers in different ways. All right, off you go. Good luck.